108 Tips to Learn English. I hope you enjoy it very much. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your like, and share it with your friends. Tip 3. Greet someone morning. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thanks. Greet someone afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? Good afternoon. Fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thanks. Greet someone night. Good evening. How are you? Good evening. Fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thanks. Say goodbye or go to bed. I go home. Good night. See you soon. Other ways to greet someone. Hi. Hello. Hey. What's new? How's it going? What's up? It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's good to see you again. So, how have you been? Exercises. It's nice to meet you. Good morning. A cup of coffee? Good night. Have nice dreams. Good evening. Have a nice stay. Good afternoon. How was your weekend?